Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the assembly drawing. So normally what happens for this example I have attached plates in here and even all these areas and here. Now how do I create a drawing for this one? Just come here, create drawing. So for this just select this one, right click, create drawing, assembly. Yeah, perform numbering and yeah. So now there is a comment here, one drawing created. For that control L. There's something called as assembly drawing here. Double click on it. You'll get the drawing. Yeah, I don't want all these things out right now for me. Like I would like to delete all these things. Sorry, all these here also this one, this and even this. As per my requirement, I would like to do it. So how do I do it? For that, just a minute. Let me delete it off. So this is the drawing that you can see right now, and we are not able to see anything here, correct? For that we need to give a sectional view. If you give directly like this, it is not possible. For that, what you need to do is there's something called as near in here, and here also if you select it is not going to happen because you have to select this one, and here there's something called as yeah, and like you do this and this is a camera that you see, and wherever you want to place it, just place it. So if you want to see, it depends what you want to see. So for me right now, I would like to see this one. So I'll just delete it also. I'll delete this also. So it takes time, just a minute. So this is how it looks like. We'll not be able to delete it. If you're going to delete it off, the whole thing will go. So it's the same way if you want to section of this one. Example here also it is the same thing. Just right click it first, give here free, and from here to here point, and you want to observe this the areas, and this is a camera that you see, and yeah, I think you're able to see right now these things. This is the BB section. That is what you see right now there. So you can see a bolt passing through this. So this is how it looks like. The same way with these things too. So example, if you want to check the section view of this one, right click, just give free, and from here to here, I want to also from here to here, right? So the camera has come. So right click, I mean just click on that. Now take some time. Yeah, you can observe this one now. You can see this. And whatever the changes you want to do, you can do it, not a problem. Like as per your requirement, if you want to measure this distance from here to here, that also you can do. I'll show it. So what happens is there's something called as horizontal linear, and just click it on this area where you want to add. Same way with this also, where the midpoint is here, right? Just do this and just right click. So that is how you do it. The same way with this also. Come to this point, here the end point. Here also there is an end point, and just right click. Sorry, right click. Done. So this is how we do it. So these are the measurements. Same way, just like that. You can measure the whole thing out and place it. So let me do that. So right now I've added this length and I've arranged this. Now imagine if I want to just check out the parts in here. We have seen the front view right now. And if I want to go for the top view, if I want to see that, I can do that also. So that is also not a problem here. So here, let's observe in here. We have placed this one. So we are observing these places. So example, if I want to see a detailed view of this, that also is possible. That just give me, see, yes, you can see this now. So this is how it works. And there are a lot of things in this one. In annotation, can give the level marks. So example, which height it is. And so right now here I can just give it 3200. Here it is 3000. 266, and here detail mark I've shown you, and update all parts. So if you want to update all parts of this one, so like there are a lot of things that you can do in this one. I'm just giving you this some of an example selected part. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Updated part. So that is one thing. Rest, I think revision marks. If you want to write down anything is possible. No? So I've given all the detailed thing. So these are the things that are very important when it comes to sectional, I mean assembly drawings. So according to the kind of plates that you're using, according to that these drawings will change. So normally when it comes to this one, we don't prefer all these things. We don't need all this. We usually go with this one of the section, and we got that. When we don't go with this also, and if you want to change the size also, you can just change it up. Like we can just scale it up accordingly. So this is here it is. We can turn it into around 10 or something like that. Modify, right? Like whatever the size you guys want to, you can fix it off. Not a problem. Now it has turned kind of bigger. The same way, then you print it out. That is how we do it. And yeah, these are the things. Whatever the changes you guys want to, you can do it here. This one. And how do we change this one? That is very important. In the upcoming videos, I'll be explaining you guys how to do that. So I'll be explaining this template of things. So if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.